Okay, kids had to go to special, so here we go. I'm going to continue the rest. Number 2, partition each whole into 6. Label each fraction. Count up as you go. Box the fractions that are located at the same point as whole numbers. So we're going to partition into 6. So that means that we need 6 in between each whole number. So we have 1. Okay. Now, whole number. How do we know where to start with the whole number? Well, we're counting by 6. Okay, counting by 6, and the whole number is 3. So 6, 12, 18. So 18, 6 would be the whole number. Okay. Now, if I want to find out what the fraction is for 4, the next whole number, I'm counting by 6, so what I have to do is add 6 to 18, which is 24. And that's the next whole number. 5. All I have to do again is add another 6, or I could even use my lines to count. So 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Those are my fractions. Now all I have to do is go back and label. There you go. And that would be it. Okay, number 3. Partition each whole into halves. Label each fraction. Count up as you go. Box the fractions that are located at the same points as whole numbers. Okay, so we're going to partition each whole into halves. Okay. So that means I need a half in between each one. So I'm going to cut that in half, that in half, and that in half. Okay. If we are in halves, we're going to have to count by halves, or 2. Okay, so by 2 is because it's half. So I'm at 4. Count by 2's 4 times. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 halves. 9 halves. Oh, gotta square it because it's a whole. 10 halves. How do I know? If you take the whole number 4, it's 8 halves. Add 2, that's 10 halves. 11 halves. 12 halves. 13 halves. 14 halves. That's a 14, sorry. It's like an H. 14 halves. There's a whole. There's a whole. Okay. All right, let's go to the last one, number 4. Draw a number line with endpoints 0 and 3. Label the holes. Partition each hole into fifths. Label all the fractions from 0 to 3. Box the fractions that are located at the same points as whole numbers. Use a separate paper if you need more space. Okay, so number line between 0 and 3. 0, 3. So what numbers are missing in between? 1 and 2. So 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. We're going to be partitioning into fifths. So everything is going to be 5. So okay. 0, we're going to start with 0. So 0 fifths. That is the whole. 1 fifth, 2 fifths, 3 fifths, 4 fifths, 5 fifths is 1 whole. 6 fifths, 7 fifths, 8 fifths, 9 fifths, 10 fifths is another whole. 11 fifths, 12 fifths, 13 fifths, 14 fifths, and 15 fifths is another whole. Okay, there you go. Remember, if I'm going pretty fast, I know I'm just trying to get it under the time. I had to make 2 parts of this video. So you can always pause, rewind, whatever you need to do. Okay. All right, that'll do it for the homework. We will see y'all tomorrow.